Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a pages list to the footer section of your WordPress website, a feature that not only boosts your site's navigation, but also helps your visitors easily access important areas with just a glance. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly display all your published pages in a clean list at the bottom of your site, adding both professionalism and ease of use. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's make sure the foundation is set. Go to your Pages tab in WordPress. Now, this is important. Before you add anything to your footer, you'll want to confirm that every page you want to display in this list has actually been published. If you see a page still sitting in drafts or one that's labeled as private, it won't appear in the final list. Just double-check here. Think of this like making sure all your tools are out before starting a project, so there are no surprises later. If you notice any pages you want included that aren't published, take a moment to edit and publish them. Don't worry if you need to revisit this step later. You can always update your pages and your list will adjust automatically. Next, it's time to hop into the editor. Find Editor in your WordPress dashboard. It really is the control room for your site's layout. When you click into it, you're looking at how your entire site is structured, so here we're specifically aiming for the footer. The footer is that section at the very bottom of your site, and it's prime real estate for navigation links because it's visible on every single page. Now look at the top left corner of the editor, you'll see a little plus sign. Clicking this opens up the block inserter. Think of these blocks like building blocks for your website. You can add anything from images to text, and in our case, a handy page list. Type page list into the search bar. It's worth noting that WordPress makes these built-in blocks super convenient. Once you find the block labeled page list, simply drag it down into your footer area on the site preview. If this is your first time rearranging blocks, don't stress. WordPress makes the process fluid, and you'll even see blue highlights guiding you where you can drop your new block. Once your page list is sitting in the footer, you'll see that it automatically pulls all your published pages into a neat list, no manual entry needed. But let's say you want to tweak how it looks. Maybe, for example, your site's footer is quite narrow and you want the page links stacked vertically, or maybe horizontal makes more sense for your design. You can easily adjust the orientation to better fit your layout and style preferences. This little customization might seem small, but it can really impact your site's usability and appearance. Think of it like arranging pictures in a gallery so they're both clear and attractive. And that's all it takes. Just a few steps and you've not only improved your site's navigation, but also made your website feel more complete and organized. If you need to add or remove pages in the future, just update your published pages list and this block will keep up automatically, no extra work required. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button to support the channel. If you have any questions along the way or get stuck at any step, drop a comment below. I'm always here and happy to help. And if you want to see more WordPress tips and tutorials, make sure to subscribe and keep learning with me. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.